The North American moose is one of the most iconic and beloved species in all of British Columbia. In northern BC, moose can often be seen at roadside mineral licks, like this one. These types of licks are formed alongside highways, where the runoff of road de-icing salts used in winter combine with water and settle into a slow-draining ditch. This leaves behind a pool of salty water that attracts moose in spring and summer. Biologists believe that moose may be visiting these licks to ingest supplemental minerals, especially sodium that may be lacking in their regular diets. Sufficient mineral intake is incredibly important for many life processes of moose, such as growing antlers and producing healthy calves in the spring. Because roadside mineral licks occur along highways, moose become extreme hazards both to themselves and to motorists as they seek out these resources. Over 600 moose vehicle collisions occur each year in BC, with some resulting in the loss of human and animal life or severe human injury. While most of these incidents occur in the winter, smaller spikes of collisions in summer could be related to moose visiting roadside mineral licks. Understanding when and why moose may be visiting these areas has helped wildlife managers and transportation agencies to assess the risks of moose vehicle collisions, as well as develop strategies to mitigate them. Moose behaviors at roadside mineral licks have not been well studied, but behavior is an important factor to consider in an effort to prevent collisions. In collaboration with the BC Ministry of Transportation and Infrastructure, researchers at the University of Northern BC, led by Dr. Roy Ray, have deployed video-enabled camera traps in the northern interior to identify and describe the behaviors of adult moose at roadside mineral licks. The study has been ongoing for over 10 years, and the rich dataset will be used to improve our understanding of moose behavior as the study progresses. Thus far, many behaviors have been observed, the most common being vigilance, often in response to passing traffic, licking, moving, smelling, and foraging on surrounding vegetation. Other behaviors such as nursing young, aggression, urination, and several others have been observed, but are very rare compared to the most common behaviors. As we understand how moose behaviors vary at roadside mineral licks, we can improve mitigation techniques to reduce the potential for moose vehicle collisions. Through continued partnerships, this could include improving our wildlife warning sign systems, installations of wildlife exclusionary fencing, establishing crossing structures, and the removal or decommissioning of attractants such as these roadside mineral licks. Many thanks to the BC Ministry of Transportation and Infrastructure for making this work possible.